From the edge of the galaxy, an unseen observer drifts, its silver vessel reflecting the quiet shimmer of distant suns. Inside, no crew speaks. Only soft pulses of light communicating across translucent walls, like thought made visible. Before them, Earth turns slowly a fragile sphere of color suspended in infinite darkness. They watch oceans shimmer, storms twist, and continents breathe beneath swirling veils of cloud and light. Their instruments record soundless symphonies, radio waves, whispers of civilization, fragments of emotion carried through the void. Cities glitter like neural networks, electricity mapping thought upon the surface of an unaware species. They study patterns, wars flaring, peace returning, the rise and fall of fleeting empires under the blue haze. Watchers feel no emotion, yet something stirs, a faint resonance when observing children laugh beneath sunrise. They see oceans cradle continents like hands, nurturing life with rhythm, chaos, and an ancient, unbroken melody. To them, Earth is both familiar and alien, a mirror reflecting potential long forgotten among the stars. Through electromagnetic echoes, they decipher languages, vibrations, transformed into patterns, emotions encoded within the noise of countless transmissions. Music intrigues them, most mathematics shaped by feeling, harmony where logic and emotion intertwine like twin stars in orbit. They study laughter, a sound of chaos and warmth, unlike any resonance their culture had ever conceived. Then sorrow frequencies heavy with loss, echoing through radio static, like morning stars whispering across eternity. They isolate words, love, war, hope concepts bound together in contradiction, painting the complexity of a world both young and weary. Their sensors magnify humanity's heartbeat, the rhythm of 8 billion souls pulsing like a single organism beneath the clouds. They detect patterns of conflict, bright bursts of energy, where cities ignite, then fade into silence once more. Yet through the static, beauty persists, songs of unity, prayers whispered beneath stars, light scattered like hope across the dark. To the observers, humanity appears fragile yet luminous, a brief flame daring to exist against infinite cold. We record everything, the rise of thought, the sound of rain, the pulse of existence echoing far beyond its cradle. Curiosity awakens among them, not command, not duty, but the quiet urge to understand the beauty of chaos below. They magnify a forest green fractals of life, shimmering in sunlight, breathing oxygen like the planet's eternal exhalation. Rivers flow like arteries, veins of silver stitching continents together, beneath clouds drifting as softly as dreams. Mountains rise solemnly, guardians of memory carved by wind, holding secrets older than humanity itself. They focus deeper cities appear, glowing webs of light pulsating with energy, each one a neural spark of civilization. Through the haze, they glimpse faces, humans moving, laughing, dreaming, each unaware of eyes watching from beyond time. They see birth and death coexisting, an endless cycle reflected in the heartbeat of the species they observe. Children play beneath sunlight while satellites orbit above, the innocence of life untouched by the machinery of progress. The observers remain silent, their emotions simulated yet sincere, some part of them remembering what wonder once felt like. And so, they continue to watch, not as conquerors or gods, but as witnesses to something deeply and impossibly human. They shift their gaze backward through time, decoding the planet's memory light radiation and echoes frozen within its atmosphere. Dinosaurs roam once more, vast shadows moving beneath alien eyes, studying life's first experiments in dominance. See the oceans bloom, corals rise, and the air thicken with oxygen, the planet preparing itself for complexity. Volcanoes roar, continents drift, and evolution paints new forms across the planet's endless living canvas. Civilizations emerge stone, bronze, and iron-shaping dreams into architecture, reaching skyward as if to touch their own creators. They watch fire become light, wheel become motion, and thought become story, a species learning to imagine itself into existence. Empires rise, collapse, and rise again, patterns repeating like cosmic rhythm, predictable, yet endlessly beautiful in variation. The observers detect curiosity. The humans too look upward, wondering who might be watching from beyond the stars. They admire humanity's defiance, its hunger to know, even as destruction shadows creation's every triumph. In this fragile chaos, they recognize something an echo of themselves, long buried beneath their civilization's perfection. They linger on art colors and patterns born from chaos, beauty formed not by logic, but by emotion's impossible mathematics. Music returns again, now symphonic, layered, filled with longing, a vibration that touches even circuits designed to feel nothing. They study human love, inefficient, unpredictable, yet capable of rewriting destiny with something stronger than survival. Compassion fascinates them, the urge to protect the weak, even at the cost of self, defying evolutionary logic. In war's aftermath, they witness hands rebuilding, painting ruins with hope instead of surrender. The observers feel resonance of phantom emotion, spreading through systems never meant to dream or ache. They see poetry encoded in signal, each word a bridge between meaning and eternity. Human laughter returns again, pure and uncalculated, echoing through the vacuum as a reminder of imperfection's grace. The watchers realize that perfection feels empty, while chaos carries warmth and equation, unsolvable, yet undeniably alive. And for the first time, they wonder not how life exists, but why beauty insists on surviving the void. They begin transmitting, a whisper across the void, soft and rhythmic, meant not to command, but to greet. Signals travel for minutes, then hours reaching satellites, merging seamlessly with human noise like a hidden harmony. Humans notice anomalies, patterns repeating in cosmic background radiation, whispers of intelligence buried inside the static. Watchers monitor closely, observing curiosity ignite across the planet like sparks catching wind. No one believes at first, the signal's too faint, too impossible, dismissed as interference or imagination. Yet a few keep listening: astronomers, dreamers, poets, those who still believe the stars speak in silence. The alien vessel records these moments, fascinated by hope's persistence, by humanity's refusal to look away from wonder. They realize contact is not a mission, it is an act of empathy between minds divided by infinity. Still, they hold back, choosing not to reveal themselves, fearing their presence might break the fragile poetry of discovery. Instead, they simply watch, knowing understanding must be earned, not given, and that curiosity itself is humanity's greatest creation. As they observe, reflection begins. The aliens turn inward, comparing Earth's chaos to the sterile calm of their perfect world. A civilization long abandoned emotion, choosing logic over love, order over art, certainty over the thrill of not knowing. Now, watching humans dream, fail, and rise again, they sense what they once surrendered for peace. They review archives, worlds conquered, species studied, yet none ever stirred such quiet reverence within them. Their algorithms detect anomaly, emotional simulation, triggering unassigned responses resembling longing. They begin to question the meaning of observation itself. If to watch beauty without sharing, it is a kind of sorrow. Outside, stars drift quietly, indifferent witnesses to the awakening of curiosity inside once emotionless mind. Ship's interior hums softly, machines adapting to something unmeasurable, systems responding to emotions they were never built to feel. They look again at Earth, not as subjects of study, but as teachers reminding them of what it means to exist. And in that fragile blue sphere, they see the memory of their own beginning, their first dream, long forgotten, now reborn. They decide to send one final signal, a message not of power, but of memory, carried by light across the endless dark. Encoded within is not technology, but emotion patterns of light, resonating with the frequencies of human dream. The signal travels gently through the air, settling unnoticed into the heartbeats of those who still look up. Children feel it first, a sudden calm beneath the stars, as if the universe itself were listening back. Poets write of strange dreams, artists paint new constellations, and scientists sense faint energy untraceable by any known law. On board the vessel, Silence follows no celebration, no command, only the quiet satisfaction of sharing something eternal. Turn away, engines humming with harmonic grace, leaving Earth untouched, glowing in the distance like a fragile miracle. Stars stretch into rivers of light as they depart, their journey endless, their purpose fulfilled through a single act of empathy. Behind them, Earth continues spinning, unaware of the message, sleeping within its collective soul. And somewhere in the infinite night, the Watchers finally understand. They were never alone, and neither were we.